And in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you how this is easy to send follow-up emails for the orders that have been placed successfully within your web stores. So basically using this plugin, the customers shall receive an email that you can see right now on your screens. As you can see here, it's a follow-up email, and here we have the name of the customer at the top. Then we have the latest order list of the customer. So the customer had placed one order, and after the successful checkout of the customer, now the admin can send out the follow-up email to the customers. So the customers receive this kind of an email follow-up with the details of the orders placed and the other data like offer section for them to choose whether they want to check out some more favorite items or not directly from here with an offer or not. That depends upon the configuration of the follow-up emails from the admin backend panel. Alright, so the admin can easily perform bulk actions to send the follow-ups to the respective customers following a path for the feature itself, and thereby he'll be able to build up a good relationship with the customers, and that is the productive as well. And before we proceed further, let's show you how the admin can send up the follow-up emails to the customers. We'll be logging into our customer account, and thereafter we'll be placing an order. Then we'll be going back to the admin backend panel to show you the rest of the options available for the auto follow-up plugin from the admin backend panel. And kindly do subscribe to our channel to check the latest and the updated e-commerce plugins for your web stores and the marketplace needs, along with the mobile apps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and more. Also, to get the latest plugin tunes on your gadgets, kindly press the bell icon to be the first to get the latest of the e-commerce plugin trends. Also, do subscribe to us as I've already told you. And now let's log into the customer account. So I'll be entering my email, my password, then tapping on the sign in button. So logged into my customer account, as you can see. Let's place an order that we have already placed. This is the order total for $39. So it's in the cart. We have 2 quantities of it, and I'll just tap here on the proceed to checkout button, and the order total is 68 for the duffel bag itself. And now going to our shipping address, so let's choose our shipping method and tap next. And here we'll be agreeing to the terms and conditions before choosing the payment method. That's the check money order right now, and we'll be placing the order by placing the by tapping the place order button here. Alright, the order has been placed as we can see, and let's check the order details once. So I'll just close this out. So here we have the just duffel bag, $68, and the ordered quantity is 2. The unit price is $34. Now the order has been placed, and now let's go to the admin backend panel to see the rest of the flow, and then we'll be showing you the auto follow-up mail that this particular customer gets for these orders that he has placed. So the order number is 19 right now. So let's go to the admin backend panel now. So I'll just log into my Magento 2 platform based web store, and I'll be entering my username password for the same, and then tapping sign in button to sign into my admin account panel. So after login, on the left hand side panel we can see we have this follow-up option, wherein we have 3 sub-menu options. One is the follow-up dashboard, the follow-up list, and the follow-up email list. So we'll go through each of them one by one. So I'll just first open the follow-up dashboard for you, and here we are on the follow-up dashboard. As you can see right now, okay, we have a task there for the schedule of the update for the mass follow-up emails. Alright, so here you can see that we have the follow-up dashboard that can be used for checking the current year stats, the current months, or the current week's statistics. So according to the year, month, and week, you can basically check the stats for your follow-ups that you've done. From here you can also check the total follow-up email sent data, as you can see right now. So you can choose a date to filter that out, to check the same in a graph here, and here you can see the filter ranges there. Right now we're working in the current week. We have the total sent follow-up emails and the total converted follow-up emails as well. And according to that, we have these bar graphs here, as you can see, that display the total sent follow-up emails. If you want to filter only the total converted follow-up emails, you can choose that up. You can cancel that out to display the correct one according to your need there. So this is basically your dashboard. Now the other thing that we have here is the follow-up list. Then we have the follow-up email list. All right, but before that, let's check how we can send the follow-up email to the customer manually. And for that, first we'll go to the sales and then orders. So eventually that opens up back up to the into the follow-up list itself after we have sent the follow-up mail to the customer manually. So here we are on the orders page right now. So we have the order number 19. So here's the order number 19, $68 pending. So from here the admin can check whether the follow-up email status has been sent or not, and from here you can see one is sent, one shows no, the current one. To send a follow-up email to the customer, just tap here in the send follow-up mail. That brings up this section. From here you can see the customer details are there, Joseph Brace, the customer's email address on which the follow-up mail needs to be sent out. And from the email template here, we have chosen the Webpool follow-up template that we have. And the email template that we have chosen is based on the theme fallback. And for the follow-up mail, here we have the template. As you can see, it's a template that you can see right now, and I can scroll down through this, and this has the complete content that would be sent out to the respective customer itself. So now let's tap here on the send follow-up button. You can see that the follow-up email has been sent to the respective customer, and here you can see the order ID right now is 19, as I remember, but the follow-up email sent ID is 39. The converted status is mail has been sent out. The username is Joseph Brace, and the follow-up code is 19. So you can also now basically the customer can check the follow-up email by going to his email address itself, and they will have this particular what we say as the follow-up mail. So let's check that first. So this is the follow-up mail that I've just received here, and here you can see, hi Joseph, and we have this section, your favorite items are still waiting for you, complete your order now and enjoy 15% off, and a button to check that particular section itself. And this is the code that we have set up from the backend for that particular template. That's the follow-up template. And here's the order list for this particular customer when he had placed this order, having the just duffel bag with the 2 quantities of the same, and the price was $68. Now let's see how we can send out the follow-up emails in bulk to the customers. So for that, we'll just navigate to sales and then orders, and from here we'll be selecting the multiple orders for which we want to send the follow-up mails in the bulk. After choosing those orders, I've selected right now only 2. From the actions drop down, just go to the follow-up option, tap it up. That brings up the mass follow-up section, as you can see right now, with a button to send the mass follow-up to the customers. From the load default template section here, from the drop down, you can you'll have to choose the template. That's the follow-up template. That's the Webpool follow-up here. After choosing that particular template comes up here. You can set it up as for your own requirement there, the data there, and the different fields, and then just tap here in the send mass follow button, and it would send the follow-up mail in mass to your customers at a time by just navigating to your orders and then choosing those orders to send the follow-ups to, and then sending out those follow-up emails in bulk. Now let's get back to the follow-up. We went through the follow-up dashboard, then we have the follow-up list, and then we have the follow-up email list. So we'll be going through each of them one by one. So let's go to the follow-up list. So basically it displays the complete follow-up list, and here we can see the converted status as well. Mail has been sent, converted, mail sent, and here you can also see the order statuses, the pending, complete, closed, Here's the username, the follow-up code, and from here you can also manually send the follow-up emails one by one to your customers, and then tapping on the send mail button, and that will automatically send the follow-up mail to the respective chosen customer, or the follow-up list basically, that displays the follow-ups that need to be done for the different usernames that we have. So that was about the follow-up list, and lastly we have the follow-up email list. So let's jump onto that, and here you can see we have a drop down. We can delete any of these email list records here. So you can, from here we can see the different auto IDs along with the name or the sent to data for the follow-up emails that we have sent out, and the sent by, and along with the date and time for the sent item itself. So to delete, you can do a mass delete as well. You can do a single delete as well. Let's just let me do that, and let me filter it out. 23, and now we have 47, the order number 19 if you remember, sent to Josette, sent by admin, the date along with the time itself. So that was much about the Magento follow-up email plugin. I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular plugin. Also, if you like this particular video, do give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to our channel as well for more updates. And if you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Apart from that, do check our social media links to get back to us and say hello to us. We're on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter as well. And thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.